wakes you up, 'cause he can show you so much. I go to bed and tomorrow
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a hot pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not rough, it isn't fun. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never loved nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never loved nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I won't tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, 'cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love glue gunning. Just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I pay you out. I promise this promises. Check this hand 'cause I'm mom. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Can't read my, no, we can't read my poker face. She's never left nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face.
I'll be the one. Guess you were lost when I met you. Still there, what tears in your eyes, so out of trust. And I knew no more than mysteries and lies. There you are, wild and free, reaching out like you needed me. A helping hand to make it right. I am holding you all through the night. forgive me. Stay here, don't put out the glow. Hold me now, don't bother. If every minute it makes me weaker, you can save me from the man that I become. Oh yeah. Looking back on the things I've done, I was trying to be someone. I played my part, kept you in the dark. Now let me show you the shape of my heart. Sadness is beautiful, loneliness is tragical. So help me, I can't win this war. Touch me now, don't bother. Every second it makes me weaker. You can't save me from the man I've become. Looking back on the things I've done, I was trying to be someone. I played my part, kept you in the dark. Now let me show you the shape of my heart. I'm here with my confession. Got nothing to hide no more. I don't know where to start, but to show you the shape of my heart. I'm looking back on things I've done. I never wanna play the same old ball. Keep you in the dark. Now let me show you the shape of my heart. Things I've done, I was trying to be someone, trying to please my heart. Kept you in the dark.
Ladies and gentlemen, our host for this afternoon show, the handsome Mr. Arnold Pineda, Mr. Tony Bartolome, Mr. Roger the President, Miss Claire Apilado.
Galing mo na.
Welcome to CIA!
Yan. Bago yun.
Oh, nasaan ka? Lumabas ka
Saan yung
dyan!
announce?
Nasaan ka?
Hello,
Surprise yun! Lalabas siya mamaya.
Live na live
Okay?
po tayo.
Live all the way from the Philippines. Ray, anong Ray?
Alam niyo yun, live streaming yun. Sino ba nakikinig sa inyo ng Lagip Tinapalabas? Lagip Tinapalabas.
At sino ang nakikinig ng Bombo Radyo Launon? Ayun.
Dami.
Naka-live ba to? Naka-live?
Live sir, live.
Wow!
Only in CIA!
Yan, palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan ng CIA.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Umpisa na!
Umpisahan
Ito na.
na.
Na-late man ng few minutes, but understandable kasi malaki ang event natin for today. Okay? Ano na ang
Okay.
first part?
The first part is the parade of the officers and the committees of CIA 2012. Okay. it's-
Officers!
Presents the first
Music
CIA.
Maestro.
and festivals featuring
welcome the Azares from Isabela Federation of Hong Kong. Palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan. La Union. Next, the Council of Leaders from La Union, headed by, of course, the President, Miss Claire Apinado.
Oh, Roger, sino naman yung pumasok ng mga naka-blue?
Ay, yung mga Azares from La Union, sir.
Yun.
The officers and members from Ilocos Norte Association of Hong Kong. And of course, the Luzon Alliance,
Luzon Alliance officers.
headed by, of course, Madam Daisy Arieta.
Daisy, where are you? She's here. Oh, Roger, sino naman yung naka-yellow-green na parating?
Alright, ito po ang ating mapangguwaganti na representatives. Palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan. Followed by, of course,
Maguday ni Balasa. Maguday ni Balasa. At ano yung naka-red? Ay, naka-pink. Asherex. From where? The Ilocos Norte Asherex.
followed by, of course, the Isabela Federation Azares.
La Union Federation Asherex.
CIA Assistant Secretary in the person of Madam Marites Palma to lead to us the invocation.
Creator God, as the Confederation of Ilocano Association Hong Kong go forward, help us to be open to change and growth, ever mindful that you are with us in every passage and on every journey of this association. Help make your light shine upon us and grant us peace today as we celebrate Ilocano traditions and festivals with the theme Pasingkadan ti Kinatan-ok ni Ilocano. Lord, we thank you for bringing each of us here safely. Some of us even traveled miles away, like our guest speaker, Deputy Speaker for Luzon, Congressman Erin Tanyada and company, and also the OFW icon, Clifford Allen, just to be part of our festival. And now, Father, in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ, we ask for your continued grace and blessings on our work, our families back home, our friendship. Likewise, we pray for the people who gave us inspirations in life to be more productive and wise. All of this through your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Thank you, Marites, for that wonderful invocation. Now we'll proceed with the singing of our Philippine National Anthem by the Isabela Federation.
Bayang pag-ibig, sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa tinig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka masisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo'y bumang, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na luwalhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag-may mga api, ang mamatay lang dahil sa'yo.
Balitang Tugawin, And we'll hear the welcome remarks from the CIA. Kasi may tao pa dun eh, madam. Kaya... Okay. So, while you are finding seats, we would like to ask the CIA External Vice President, the name of the person of Boots Francisco, to deliver the welcome remarks for this event. Boots?
Hello, Mike. Hello.
Hello.
So, naimbagamalin tayo amin apo. Good afternoon, everyone. To all our honorable guests, Congressman of 4th District, Quezon Province, Honorable Lorenzo Irin Tanyada III, sir, nandito na ba siya? Coming. Okay. Political of Liberal Party, stationed in National Headquarters, Honorable Melvin Macusi, sir. Mayor of Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur, Honorable Amado T. Tanyada, sir. Andito na. On behalf, sir. Consul General, Honorable Noel Servigon, sir, coming, and Mrs. T. Servigon, anyway, ma'am. Vice Consul Honorable Charles Andre Macaspac, sir, coming, okay, they are all coming, on the way. Labor Attaché Honorable Manuel Roldan, sir, also coming. Deputy Consul Honorable Rosana Villamor Vogel, excuse me, ma'am, coming. Founding Chairman of SIA, Hong Kong, Mr. Joe Ortega, ang butihing manong ng lahat ng Philippine Alliance at SIA. Asa na siya? Also coming. Coming back. Okay. With of course, Mrs. Therese Ortega, ma'am, also coming. Oh, they are all coming. The Board of Judges, the panel of adjudicators, and all affiliated groups, all members and officers of different Ilocano associations. On behalf of SIA Hong Kong, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to SIA Hong Kong Pasingkitan Kinatan-ok te Ilocano 2012. This celebration aims to promote Ilocano cultures, traditions, and festivals. I would like to take this chance also to thank everyone for giving your time and support. And also to those distinguished participants who mustered a lot of courage in preparation for this today's event, where I'm sure everyone will enjoy the show. Kaduanda kami apo, tentay pasingkidan, di kinatan-ok ni Ilocano, agbyag tayo amin apo.
Apo Vice President External.
Attorney Boots, thank you Boots for that wonderful message. And the next part of our program will be an intermission number. Di ba? Acknowledgement muna tayo. Ayun, mali ako tinitingnan.
Okay, first of all, we have to acknowledge the participants or the Council of Leaders of the Confederation of Ilocano Association. We acknowledge the arrival of our
Yes.
guest performer for today, Mr. Clifford
Clifford.
Allen.
Mr. Clifford. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our sponsoring organization, at the same time our benevolent donors and sponsor for today's affair. Of course, the GFGI Prime 10 Peninsula Guardians.
Ayan, thank you very much. The Guardians number 1.
And of course, headed by Madam Norma Capistrano.
Ayan, ang kanyang mga officers, ladies and gentlemen, always at service. Thank you very much, Guardians. Prime 10 Peninsula. Yun.
Tsaka ang gaganda ng t-shirt talaga. Compliments talaga yan. Magaganda.
And syempre pa, nandyan ang Luzon Alliance Hong Kong, headed by the chairman, Miss Marie Tohi, on the way. And syempre pa, nandyan ang
The First Lady of La Union.
La Union? Ano
Ay, La
pa
Union,
ba?
Ilocos Sur.
Joke.
Alam niyo ba, nag-react si Ma'am
Mila.
Mila kasi siya ang
Siyempre, ang First Lady
ng La Union.
Kaya syempre, ikaw ba naman ang maagawan ng corona?
Yun na nga eh. Mahirap.
Okay, moving on. Society of Hong Kong,
Busy. Asan na si Noy?
on the way.
On the way.
Nasa Pilipinas si Noy, on vacation siya, pero prinamis niya sa akin na lahat ng miyembro ng Kabisi will be here today.
Wow, palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan.
Okay, traffic lang siguro.
May
Okay,
traffic
next.
pa doon? Next, followed by Lady Achievers, headed by, of course, the President, Madam Leonie.
They're coming. They're one of the performers. Okay, next, we have
Mindanao
Federation. Headed by, of course, my dear friend.
Delia Gonzalez.
And of course, the Vice Chairman, Miss Aura Ablin. Nandito na ba ang MinFed? They are
MinFed.
also a performer for today. So, for sure, darating sila.
And then, Philippine Alliance Hong Kong. At dito na kanina, dumana si Manong Joey. And of course, the President, si Nasser Ampang. Wala pa. Daming siguro.
Coming sila, nangako sila lahat. Okay, we have from the Madayaw sa Davao, headed by Miss Jenny Gafate, who promised me to come today. Kaya darating din yan.
Oh, kosa yan.
And-
Hindi pwedeng hindi dumating yan
Oo
mga yan.
naman,
diba?
siyempre. Isabelino ako, Association Hong Kong. Nandyan na ba si Miss Jocora de la Cruz? Darating yan, for sure. Okay, and of course,
The
from
Regional Overseas Filipino Workers Society.
Rockfields, ay naku, sigurado to nagpapa-beauty pa.
Si Riza
Si Miss
Balake.
Riza Balake. And bago ko maano pala, nandyan na. Anyone na hindi pa nakapag-register for absentee voting, nandyan po ang ating staff ng konsulado for the overseas absentee voting. Matalastas lang yun. Okay.
Hindi ko nabasa rito kaya alam ko patalastas eh.
Kasi-
From MINMA, Mindanao Alliance, kay Engineer Nasser.
Darating daw
Darating
siya.
yun, di pwedeng hindi. The Dreamers,
Headed by Joey Ramirez. Darating din yan.
Abante Cagayan.
Abante Cagayanas, nasaan? Ayan!
Ayan.
The chairman and the president coming, right?
Hindi nyo makikita na nasa sentro siya.
Kung wala yan, wala tayong video ngayon.
And of course, we would like to thank also the World Medical Support Services of Hong Kong.
Women. Kasi 2 o'clock ang sinabi nila na paaga tayo ng start. Kasi ang akala nila, katulad din tayo ng sinasabi nilang Filipino time. So, ina-expect nila na we will start at around 2:30. Kaya wala pa sila. Mali sila.
Pag si Claire ang nag-organize, hindi pa pwede
On
yun.
time.
Eh, nila pa galit na. Diyan, late na raw ng
Hindi naman
10
ako-
minutes.
Love ko
Oh.
lang yun.
Paano magalit ang ating presidente, sir?
Wala. Ito, umiiyak sa kanto. Kaya hey,
Okay.
Bicol Alliance. Okay, Art.
Art Buban. Naku, baka on the way din yon.
Once again, the Ilocos Sur Alliance.
Palakpak naman dyan, Ilocos Sur Alliance! Ay, mahina, Madam Daisy. Ay, si Tita Lorraine. Mahina ang palakpak ng Ilocos Alliance.
Ilocos Sur Alliance.
Ilocos Sur Alliance. Asa ng President?
Nagising.
Oh, missing.
Ito,
Okay.
live, Hong Kong. Ana.
Darating siya.
One of our
Sponsor.
sponsor po.
SPMUDA.
OFW.
Oh.
By
Headed
Johan Monique. Ano to?
Monhe.
Mone.
Monhe.
Oh.
Mone. Ako.
Ano to?
At
Yung
saka
siya
si
yung
Mrs.
ambassador. Si Miss
Saka
Joanne Mone, si
Joanne
ambassador.
Mone, at saka si Miss Mercy.
Miss
Bonita.
Mercy Bonita Amor is representative of AMA. AMA Computer School. Ayun, si Miss Mercy. Hi, friendship.
O pag,
Friendship ko yan sa Facebook.
pag natatawag naman ng mga pangalan, could you...
Oo, ayan. Tingnan niya si
stand
Miss
up
Mercy.
naman para
Tayo dyan, Miss Mercy.
recognize.
Itindig ang kagandahan ng Pilipinas.
Oh, very
good.
Thank you for coming.
Friend niya dyan sa friendship. O, iyan mo ako, Roger Agulay Tagudin.
Yan.
Ay, hindi pa kita friend pala, Roger, ano? Sige, hanapin ko yan.
Okay, Batangas Varsitarian International, headed
Erwin.
by Mr. Erwin Marqueses, the president. Nag-promise din siya dyan. Sisigot na lang
sigurado
ako.
yan. Unipil, Migrante.
Headed by Miss Dolores Balladeras, nangako rin yan. Darating yan.
Ito si Madam Marito ng Rosglow Distribution Hong Kong. Wala pa.
Sponsor natin yan. Nasa school pa.
Emrys Employment Agency kay Madam Esther.
Sino
Dala
na?
yan ni
Ilaga.
Miss Ana Payawal mamaya.
Sabi ba pupunta?
Yes,
Ako marami,
promise.
marami akong gagawin pa doon pag nakita ako doon.
Siyempre.
Busy daw ako lagi. Okay. Bawan. Diverse Sanctuary Resort. Ay, sponsor din natin to.
Oh,
Kay
ito yung
Lourdes.
kay Mrs. Lourdes
Lowings.
Lowings. Ayan.
And Mega World.
Mega World.
Kay Army.
Okay.
Si Army Arcilia.
Yeah.
Darting ba?
Oh, at ang K-Touch, of course,
Oh,
and editor of
sige.
WhatsApp Magazine. Of
Please
course.
welcome Mr. Tony Bartolomeo!
Okay, yun. Pakiulit, Roger.
Daming
Pakiulit.
announcement yan. In-announce na kanina sa...
Eh, kanina hindi ko narinig yun.
Ay.
Kaya nag-rip
Yeah, thank you, thank you anyway.
Parang gusto kong i-replay yun. Ang ganda.
Wala na, isip yun
Oo
lang.
nga.
Yun lang.
Kuha na naman yun. First of its kind na naman.
Okay, walang originality.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Standard Insurance. Wala siguro sila, no?
Mr. Jun Kotoko.
Yeah. I think
One
they're
of the
based-
sponsor
based sila sa
ng ito,
Philippines.
pagagalitan
Si
natin
Bates.
mamaya.
Okay.
Si Miss Merlinda Bates Mercado.
At of course, PNB by represented by si Rodel, Bicol, and Moni Mora.
And of course,
Si Cathy Di
Miss
Guzman.
Cathy Di Guzman.
Wala pa, wala.
So, ibig sabihin,
Wala.
yung mga big boss darating. Okay.
Sigurado mapupuno mamaya dito.
Pinalunan, Pangasinan, Hong Kong Society.
Nandito na ba sila? Binalunan? Pangasinan Association. Ay no, SWAL. Pangasinan Association. Nangako rin ng pangato. Darating yan.
Kay Flora.
Eto.
And then, Next.
Wag mo na introduce to.
next on the line, partner. Ang Kayumangki Magazine, headed by, of course,
Sabi ko, wag mo na i-announce yan.
kasi hindi siya dumating pa
Pagalitan
lang.
natin
Darating
pagdating
yan
niya.
mamaya.
yeah, kasama natin sana dito sa harap eh.
OWT.
May dumarating.
Ayan, ang siyempre pa, nakikita ko na yan. From the Mindanao Federation. Ayan, nakita ko na si Miss Aura Aplin.
Yun.
Sabi ko sa inyo, darating sila eh. Of course, ang isang sponsor natin, Hotel.
Of course, from the hotel, Mr. Richard Del Valle.
Okay na yun.
Meron pa, sir, meron pa. Ang AMA Computer Learning Center.
Nandiyan na ba si Miss Helen? Miss Mercy, kasama mo ba si Miss Helen? Coming.
Coming din.
On the way. Ang A-Freight Door to Door. Headed by Ma'am Beng Wolf.
Sabi niya, sasaglit siya.
Marami siyang dalang box. And of course,
Eto yung mga yung mga nagbigay ng kanilang mga donations or in cash and in kind. Miss Josephine Aranton, my former classmate. Miss Elsa Monseda.
Miss Astrovial Viluan,
Miss Emily Beringa.
Miss Bernardina Mendoza,
Miss Cristina Balicoco.
Miss Maureen Almasan,
Miss Celia Opinaldo.
Miss Mila Agtarap, kaway naman dyan.
And the overseas absentee voting, inuulit ko, nandyan sila for us today. Okay. Check attendance! Nasa na mga Tagalaw? Makena. Makapsot. Lion Federation of Hong Kong.
Ayun, kulang pa. Pero
Okay,
mamaya marami
ikaw
na.
ang malakas. Isabela Federation! Itang napekpek
Tingnan
sa...
mga Ruti Ilocos Norte Association Hong Kong.
Ay!
May ala nagkapsot.
Ilocos Sur Alliance!
Tingnan mambot Itilawang City Overseas Association Hong Kong.
Uy, nagpiksa!
Tingnan mambot iti New Marcoselios Association Hong Kong.
Napekpek sa manen.
Napek-pek sa amin. Alright?
Okay! Teka, ay, at the Francine, Jenny, at ni Lola, kinilolo. Hello, Lola, Lolo. Injik yun eh.
Ay, chick.
Saan yan?
Neho, neho.
Homa,